It's Saturday evening, and we just got home. We went shopping today, and I don't know why it has drained me so much. We went to a few stores. Yeah, let's begin. So the first place we went to, of course, was Michael's, because Michael's is having their clearance sale. They're like semi-annual, I feel like, clearance sale. So I'm not going to show you what we got. I did get a few things that they didn't have at the other Michael's that I went to on Wednesday, but that's neither here nor there, because that's going to be on the crochet video, Granny by Nature Crochet. So, after Michael's, we went to Marshall's, because my daughter wanted to go to Marshall's, see what they had. And we only got two things there. I got this discounted box of Bobo's lemon poppy seed oat bites. This was marked down to $6 from $7.99. I really like these. They're plant-based, dairy-free, they're gluten-free, they're pretty delicious. And my husband found this falling leaves candle. I didn't realize it had an apple scent in there because I don't usually like apple, but it's so not the main note that it's okay. That just smells like, yeah, we've wrapped up the summer and now we're ready for the fall season. It's got fir balsam, citrus, apple, spice, patchouli, clove, and eucalyptus. What a delicious freaking blend. And it's soy wax, and it has a little wooden wick in there, which I really like. Oh! We don't burn a lot of candles, but might have to burn that one soon. It's really good. Alright, after that, we went to Aldi. Here's my little Aldi haul. Well, I got some more in the freezer bag, too. This must be like Greek week or something, because I got some tzatziki flavored kettle chips, and these do not, as far as I know, have anything that's going to make them not vegan in there. I'm pretty sure we had these before. And also Mark wanted another bag of the veggie chips that have like the root veggies in it. His new favorite, barbecue sauce, which is fairly clean. I got 2 out of the last 3 packets of tzatziki mix. I think, did Kristen get one? No, maybe not. Maybe I just left it there for somebody else. Because I think I already have 2 or 3 in the cabinet. I really like tzatziki. What can I say? I got some organic canned beans. I think this is new. This is their version of Poppy. It's called Pops. And I think I would like to try that because I like Poppy. But Poppy is expensive. And Mommy can't afford Poppy all the time because it's expensive. So I'll see how theirs is. We also got some artisan lettuce. Put this over here. Some frozen veg. What else is in here? Oh yeah, baby. Come on out. They had green seedless grapes on sale. Wonderful. These were like $1.79 a pound. That's pretty good. And I think there's a couple of tofu in there as well. So all in all, a pretty good shopping trip at Aldi. And then we ran over to Sam's Club. What are you doing over there? You're getting all crazy. At Sam's, at ShopRite, I got a Ripple because that was on sale. I got a lettuce. Mark got some pizza cheese. I got some BioLife. Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of the Daring. Some of this is Maddie's. I guess they're not selling this flavor anymore, so it was 50% off, so I got it for $3.50 a pack, which is very good. Kristen also got 2 packs of that because she's vegetarian and she loves Daring. As you should, because it's delicious. I think I might have one of those tonight for dinner. I also got some beautiful cherries because I love cherries. These were $1.99 a pound. Sean's guilty pleasure this week was some EL fudge cookies. He's going to have these for dessert. Well, he's going to have 2 cookies for dessert. That's going to stretch out over a long time. Yeah, I got some junky salad dressing. I like it. I don't care. Everybody's got to eat a little junk food, right?
Mommy, where's Scootaloo?
Where's Scootaloo? Ponyville? I got some grape leaves in brine. I sent some vegan grape leaves in my future. I can't remember what are they called. Because they're not the dolmades, they're a different one. The dolmades are just rice and like lemon and something else. But the ones that my mother-in-law used to make are made with tomato paste and rice and chopped meat wrapped in the grape leaves. They're more of like a hearty, wintry one, like the Greeks' version of stuffed cabbage. I really like those. I mean, the dolmades are good too. Yaprakia. That's the one that my husband wants me to make. He wants me to make the other one too, but I really like the one with the tomato. Alright, we got some mouthwash, special juice for health, Italian pasta, bow ties, Italian pasta, regular spaghetti. I only got 2 bags of the organic flour. I don't know. We're going to find out. I got some vegan yellow rice mix, 1 jar of the goo. They had the Somos on sale. So I got some green enchilada chili sauce. Green enchilada sauce. There's no chili, but there is chilies in it. Peppers. I don't know. I also got some of this Greek roast lemonato with lemon and capers. I'm going to use this to make potatoes. Some sweet red peppers. I'm getting all choked up. Some spicy brown. 2 pestos because I like to have that on pasta and on pizza. And finally some small olives, which have been pretty expensive lately. $2 a can is a good price. Back in the day, $2 a can was unheard of. Like that was like the gourmet olives. Back in the day, you could get like a can for 99 cents. And I'm talking back in the day like 10 years ago. Maybe 5 years ago even. They've really shot up in price. But I think I'm going to put this food away. I'm going to have some fruit. I cut up my cantaloupe from last week. Put it in the fridge. But I snuck one of these cherries when I got home. And they are just perfectly ripe. These look pretty perfect too. I think I might have to have a little bit of grapes too before dinner. I can't do it with one hand. I also have to call Maddie and let her know that she got some Daring chicken because she always asks me to check the price on the Daring chicken when I go shopping because she doesn't go out on a Saturday. So I got a lot of work to do. I gotta throw some laundry in the machines. And, oh my God, where did the time go? We got home at like 4:30 and it's now 6:30. So like, did I just waste 2 hours? Like, I don't even remember. I'm having like amnesia now. What happened over the last 2 hours? Is that clock actually right? Wow, it is. How did that happen? All right, so it's not quite 6:30 yet. It's 6:26. And when we got home, it was more like 4:45, but still, I mean, it's still an hour and a half that just got farted away. I did listen to Maddie's stream, though, from Big Brother, so that ate up at least half an hour, if not a little bit longer. But that's how the mop flops, you know? 1 minute you think you're ahead of the game coming home before 5 o'clock, and then the next minute it's like 6:30. Gotta get busy. Oh, hello. Sorry. Are you excited?
Yes.
Stop. You love the camera.
I know.
We're at Young Frankenstein.
Unfortunately, we didn't get my husband's ticket early enough.
He's over there somewhere.
But I offered to take that seat. He said no.
All right. Well, I'm excited for a great show today.
Yes. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Here's the set. Oh, looks amazing. What do you think? Good show? All right, enjoy, Shawnee. I hear they're ringing the bell. Good show. Hi. So, we're still trying to figure out this filming schedule.
What do you mean?
Getting enough content for the vlog and
Is that your way of
channels.
saying this vlog is a little light? I just finished up the Big Brother live stream for
No
today.
more just a nice guy, Darla.
No dollar.
Somebody's a little jacked up right now.
Let's go claim
Yeah.
the parade. Oh,
He had a rough day. He was kind of like up and down.
Yes.
We don't know why.
Come
No.
on, Helen.
But it's okay.
Is
It's
it?
Friday evening.
It's Friday evening?
Sorry, it's Monday evening. I wish it was Friday evening. Oh my god.
Sean, Sean, Sean,
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Thank you. Could you just be a little bit quiet for a few minutes?
No.
All right. Well, do we have any
That was
shout-outs?
emphatic. Yes we do.
All right, who are we with?
First of all, today, born on this day, unknown amount of years ago,
Okay.
we have none other than Christina Glansberg.
Christina, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Christina. Oh my goodness. And then tomorrow, on Tuesday, born on this day, unknown amount of years ago,
Okay.
John Gamage.
John, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, John. Hope you and Christina are both living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Amen.
Yes.
Steve, you'll go first.
So, welcome to
The
my life.
Himalayas.
Yeah.
It's time to go.
It's the Himalayas, but Sean D says Himalayas,
Yes.
which I enjoy.
Yeah. But this is what it's like most of the day when he's here.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry for that. If it bothers you, don't watch. I don't want to upset you.
I know some people
We-
have like auditory issues.
Yeah. We can't shut him down. We can't film elsewhere because it's too hot.
Yeah. Not a ton of filming options in this house, but
No.
we hope it's okay.
Yes. I mean, even if we were to go in the other room, he could come busting in there at any moment and be
Yeah.
loud.
Yeah, you never know. But
So,
this
yeah.
is also one of his like recitation times, so
Yeah.
it is what it is.
I feel defeated today.
I'm sorry. I'm just glad I got through that spoiler.
Yeah, he was starting to pipe up there at the end.
I just mean like work wise. That was fine. I didn't care about that. But
Yeah.
I just mean like getting it done. And Mondays are tough because
Mondays are really tough.
I
You
give
have to catch
myself
up.
Sunday off from the spoilers. We just do the episode recap, which I enjoy it so much to just have like
a
few
day of
hours,
clarity.
yeah, to do my thing. But then when Monday hits, it's like because I got to go back to Saturday evening and like catch up with everything from then on.
And if something went down,
It's a long Monday, but
Yeah.
luckily today, I mean, I worked solidly through the entire day, but I didn't feel like panicked at any moment that I wasn't going to get it done, so that's good.
Well, that's a good thing. Don't overdo it. It's not worth it.
I know.
Would you like to help me?
So I'm just glad it's done.
All right. I'm sorry. Today is a fart. I know I've been saying that a lot lately, but Father, I have something to confess.
Oh,
It's been very difficult.
yeah.
That's my confession. It's been difficult. I'm sorry.
Oh.
We're not worthy. Thank you.
Yes. All right. On that note, I gotta go. I got somewhere to be. So
Yes, that's right. You got to get out of here.
thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, even though it was a fart.
Yeah.
And until next time,
Much
much
love.
love.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.